Welcome to the Zariah's Creations YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another unboxing from Amazon and another item that has been sitting in the corner for a moment. And this one is to help with promotion and productivity. I got a smaller photo backdrop. So for Christmas, my boys bought me a light box, and it's nice and it's huge. It's big, tops, sides, and everything. I'll insert a picture right here. And while I like the light box because you can fold it up and you can put it away, sometimes I need something smaller. And then there's times when I can take stuff to work and maybe on my lunch take pictures, because you know every minute counts, and sometimes at lunch I'm like working on my packing stuff. So I saw this on Amazon, and I'll leave a link for it down below. So this is for photo productions for, I would say, smaller objects. And as you can see, I just pulled out some clamps and a stand. There's an extra clip as a spare. So it's 3 in here. And then I have 2 corners for the stands. And then, oh, it came with a bag so that I guess I can carry it wherever I'm at. Okay, I'm probably going to get some iron on something on here. I don't know what, but that's awesome. Like I said, sometimes I want to take stuff to work on. And before I open up this full pack, I had purchased these from Michael's, from We Are Memory Keepers. These photo background packs, and these are 13 3/4 by 13 3/4. I do not have the box, so I would stand it up in a light box and then take my pictures. And I like that these have different backgrounds, and then we also have some solid colors. So I have those, but I wanted something to actually stand without getting this actual box here, the light box. So, but I'm probably going to figure out how to make a way to use these in here as well. So it came with 2 packages, and let's open this one first. Okay, so these are the backgrounds, and I actually have some bigger backgrounds for my big light box. Like I have this color, and do I have pink? I don't know. So these are double-sided, pink, blue, I guess that is gold. You have the wood color, 2 different types of wood. And, oh, that's pretty. The matching colors here. Oh, I like that too. That faux marble look. That is pretty. And so what I wanted to use these for actually is I want to start doing some Mocktail Monday videos, content, because I don't drink alcohol. And so I'm always looking for something to drink. And Mocktail Monday seemed like the most appropriate thing to start doing, so I can produce some content with that. So let's take out this one because I want to take a photo of something that's pink. Let's see what will match. And what I need to learn next is like what colors look good with. Oh, did I see that? Oh, that was the one I said I actually like. That's pretty. All right, so they came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so these would be great for small products, and I'm going to use products from my shop. This is a mug for breast cancer awareness. This is Peace, Love, Cure, and then this is the notebook from my shop. And it's just lined paper. Can be used at any point in time, but they definitely made its mark during the Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And they'll still be up. I'm going to leave them up there. So if you know someone who was on a journey and you want to get one yourself, feel free to head over to the website, www.zariahscreations.com, where you can purchase it. Now I'm thinking that this part is this backdrop, which I don't know if I realized that there was something. This actually reminds me of the our graduation portfolios. You know how they stick the things in? All right, so I think that is what this is. But I'm also wondering, how does this hold? So I might have to go back and look at the picture where I ordered it from. But let's open these. And we're going to start with the corners. Maybe the corners will hold it up. And then the backdrop will keep it up. Wait. I don't. How does this go on? Because this side. Oh no, they're both open. Okay. Oh, okay. So it goes on there. And that holds it up. Bam. Okay. And then this one. Let me just bring you closer. So here is your corner. And then that piece, it's an L shape. So one goes to the top and the other goes to the bottom, and it fits in there just like that. All right, so now you can see the back of it. I'm just going to call it the portfolio or board. So now you can actually see how it's standing up, and you can see my little wall is falling because I have it clipped to a paper clip. And I think we just put the papers. That slid off kind of easily, but you can slide your paper there, and then this one I guess would go on the bottom. And I gotta make sure these are pushed in. And there you have your wall. All right. Okay, so there you have your wall. And then you take your item, say like this is your item, and you can set it in the middle. Oh, here's the clamps. So these clamps, I guess, are to hold, and these clamps are plastic. So I would definitely be very careful with using it, and I guess that's one reason why they sent an extra one. However, you can find something to hold it if need be. All right, so now I have my little 90-degree corner or edge, and I'm just using this as an example. Check out my nails, y'all. I was festive. Okay, and let's put the book here. And that could be a promo pic. Bam, bada bing, bada boom. And so let me get a picture in here of this. All right, so I just showed you guys the pictures that I took, and I did crop them out just for editing purposes. So I actually like it. Easy setup, easy to use. I can carry it in the bag that they gave me. I will put a link in the description down below. So if you guys want to head over to my Amazon store, just know that anytime you use my Amazon link, that nothing comes out of your pocket as my self being an Amazon affiliate, but Amazon shares a portion of the sales with me and other Amazon affiliates. So we definitely do appreciate if you do utilize our link. And then if you purchase it, let me know in the comments down below. If you found something easier or better, let me know in the comments down below. And if you take pictures of small items too, tell me what else do you use outside of something like this, or if it's bigger, or if it's a whole big light box. I'm going to insert a picture of my newer light box. I have a lot of newer products and I do love that company. This is not that company, but this will allow me to travel and to be able to take pictures on the go and to do certain things. So I want to see how it works with the colors that I already have. These are all single-sided on here. And I would be able to just like lay it right on the top. My biggest concern was that back there is the back wall, having it having the back wall stand up. So let's see. I'm turn my camera. Oh, and you know what, guys? I could probably use this as a flat lay as well. If I take all of these out and I wanted to use it flat. And use like two colors. Do I have yellow and pink? Yeah. But I guess you could do that on anything. Just make sure your pages come all the way together, and let me unhook my camera so I can take a picture that way as well. Glad I finally opened up this package, so now that I can use it, that's all for today. Yeah. Make sure you click that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to be the first to know when there's a new video posted to this channel. And until next time, ciao. Here's a few things that are in my shop that are geared and themed towards breast cancer awareness. Even though October is coming to a close, we can never forget the fight that needs to be fought. Check us out. Thanks.